If you wouldn't mind, Joe, if you could take us round the facility and show us the various elements and what would be what level or type of training would be taking place here.
Yeah, sure. So you have built our suite here to the exact specifications that we've asked for. So this actually replicates the space that we had in our previous facility, and bringing this newly to Tally-Ho where we train now, we wanted the same structure, so there was a degree of familiarity and the training was consistent with what we'd had elsewhere. But what you can see now is we're walking down a corridor which replicates a building, and we have rooms left and right. These rooms can be used for specific scenarios because officers would come along the corridor in a space that they know is safe. Those officers have shields and equipment, and then they would put those shields up against the door, look into the room, see what hazards, obstacles, hostiles could be in the room, and then they would make decisions with the benefit of their supervision to work out what to do in that situation. So this creates that training scenario where we can mix things up and we can do different things in different spaces and make sure officers are kept on their toes and the training is consistent but different, so that it makes them think and it makes them decide what to do in any given situation.